In today's episode, we dive deep into the world of financial management tools as we evaluate Ramp, Brex, and QuickBooks to find out which one stands out in the year 2025. First up is Ramp, a fintech platform designed for businesses of all sizes that focuses on expense management and budgeting. With features like real-time expense tracking and spending insights, Ramp simplifies your financial processes. Next, we have Brex, which offers a unique twist with its corporate credit card services tailored for startups and e-commerce businesses, allowing them to manage expenses more effectively through an integrated platform. Finally, QuickBooks, a household name in accounting software, provides extensive features for tracking income and expenses, invoicing clients, and generating comprehensive financial reports for all kinds of businesses. Let's compare the costs. Ramp offers a subscription-free model. Brex has tiered subscription plans specifically catering to startups, while QuickBooks has varied pricing based on the size of your business and the features you choose. When it comes to user experience, all three platforms prioritize accessibility. Ramp boasts a minimalist design. Brex features a dashboard tailored for efficiency, while QuickBooks provides a rich interface packed with features. Integration is key. Ramp integrates seamlessly with numerous accounting tools. Brex connects with software essential for startups, and QuickBooks offers extensive integration options with many business applications. Customer support is critical in choosing a platform. Ramp offers resourceful guides, Brex provides personalized account management, and QuickBooks has a large community and dedicated support team available. In conclusion, Ramp is perfect for small businesses looking to streamline expenses, Brex is ideal for startups leveraging corporate cards, and QuickBooks remains a robust choice for overall business accounting.